Welcome to the Easy Tech News Fix It channel. And one of the things that a lot of people have been asking is about data breach, how companies actually suffer data breach. And is it because, they have old hardware, they don't patch updates? What's the problem? Well, for the most part, data breach that companies will have. Yes, some companies are careless about security, and basically you will have these, unpatched servers and so on. But in terms of big companies, very often what happens is that it is due to a kind of a thing called social engineering. What is that? Social engineering is simply a term that means that you get fooled into thinking whoever is asking you for credentials, asking you for permission to get into an account, is a real employee of the company. And if it's done right, well, that person might actually, leave their guards down and say, oh, okay, here's permission to use that account. From there, that's where the bad guys start acting and start working. What can I do with that account? What are the privileges of that account? And what's the information I can actually steal when I'm starting to use this account? That is why investing in knowledge about security for your employees is extremely important, because that's a way that you can prevent social engineering from actually working. So most of the data breach is that it's somebody somewhere that will go into a directory of employees, for example, will look at the employee list, try to lure somebody at the company saying, hey, I'm Jack from accounts. I forgot my password and I'm working from home. I wonder if you can help me out. And because of the human nature of people often wanting to help, that's where it goes bad. And that's where, if you don't know and you're not sure and you don't really know that person, you're better off saying, I'm sorry, but I can't give you or grant you access to that account. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.